How to unfollow a message on Zoom channel. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unfollow a message on Zoom channel. So all what you have to do is go to Zoom channel right here. Let's choose this channel for example. Now let's say that you want to unfollow this message right here. All what you have to do is click on those three dots. After you click on them, now go down until you find unfollow message right here. Click on it, and now that's it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, if you want to follow the message, go click again on the three dots and click follow message. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.